Hey there, I'm your Airbnb host. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm actually right in front of the property, but I need to enter the DJ code and I don't know what is it. So can you please tell me what's the DJ code?
Wait a moment, please. Your digicode is 205825.
Alright, thanks. It worked actually. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
As I've told you in my previous videos, AI voice chatbots are on the rise in 2024, and every day there are new APIs that are released. So far I have used RetellAI to show you some possible use cases that can be solved with their API. In this video I'm excited to tell you about a new AI voice API that I recently discovered around 1 month ago. I tested it and I can't wait to show you the results that I got. I wanted to make a quick video about what this API looks like and how does it compare with RetellAI. Also make sure to watch till the end because I'm going to show you a little demo about this API. Before we get started, I'm Smail Alaoui, an AI engineer and entrepreneur. If you're new to this channel, my goal here is to show you how you can leverage AI and automation to make more money. And as usual, if you have any question about this new API, make sure to comment down below, I will be answering you. Without further ado, the new API that I discovered and tested is called RetellAI. I'll put the link in the description. So RetellAI is actually a new AI voice API that lets you create and manage AI voice bots. So you can actually sign up to this button here to start creating your own voice bots. Unlike RetellAI, RetellAI actually allows you to use your own LLMs, which means you could choose, for example, Llama or Mistral or any other open source LLM that you want. As you can see in this image, RetellAI actually takes charge of the automatic speech recognition, which means all the models that convert speech to text. They also manage the text-to-speech models as well as the conversational orchestration, which means all the streaming audio data that is sent, as well as the Twilio management. This makes me think of the diagram that I showed you during my first video. So basically, RetellAI takes charge of this part. You can give this API a try by filling this form here and then receiving a phone call through this button here. You can also choose to receive a web call through this tab here. They obviously have their documentation if you want to know more about how their API works, and they also have their Discord server if you want to ask questions or something. So far I have used RetellAI to create my voice bots, but in this video I want to compare RetellAI with RetellAI so that you can know which one is the best for you. So I prepared, guys, for you this table where I will be comparing both RetellAI and RetellAI. By the way, this is not an exhaustive comparison, like this is only what I found so far. And also both of those APIs, they keep adding new features, so when you watch this video, this might not be relevant anymore. So anyway, concerning the pricing, you can see that RetellAI, it's 12 cents per minute. For RetellAI, they have two pricing, so it depends on the model that you choose. They have a standard model at 10 cents per minute. Concerning the no-code friendliness, I also compared them, so I put a no for RetellAI, but this is not necessarily a bad thing, so it might be good for programmers. And of course for RetellAI, it is no-code friendly because you can easily hook up, make.com with RetellAI without any problem. For function calling, you can do that with RetellAI because during a conversation, you have access to the responses from the LLM. So you can totally, imagine a scenario where you could actually call functions during the call. For RetellAI, I put here limited because even though it is possible through their API, through I think the parameter dynamic data, it's still RetellAI who has control on the LLM. So that's why I wrote here limited. For voice cloning, it is not possible with RetellAI, while it is possible with RetellAI. So as I told you, you can use your own LLM with Retell. So you could use Llama or Mistral or any other, open source LLM. However, this is not the case with Blend. And of course, both of them offer the option to use multiple agents. So you can have the choice between, Australian accent or British accent. And also they have access to multiple languages. So you can do that for both of those APIs. For inbound calling, both of them support this. The same thing for outbound calling. They also both support webhooks. However, concerning web calls, only Retell supports that at the moment. So I think web calls can be useful for some specific use cases. For example, being able to call internally the employees within the same company. So yeah, this could be useful in some cases. I also wrote here that they are both backed by Y Combinator, so I think they are even parts of the same cohorts. And finally, whether you can access the transcripts in real time, it is actually possible with Retell, while it is not possible with Blend. And I think that this feature really sets Retell apart, and I actually want to show you a little demo about this feature, where I will be calling a bot managed by RetellAI, and this bot is basically a receptionist from a pizzeria, and will be ordering a pizza through this bot. So here I wrote, as the receptionist of a pizzeria called PizzaAI, your job is to take in orders from clients. You serve only chicken pizzas, and there are 3 types of pizzas, barbecue chicken pizza, and so forth and so on. So yeah, let's make the call. I will be the one initiating actually the phone call, which means the voice bot is set up with an inbound phone number. So let's make the call.
Hey there, this is PizzaAI. How can I help you?
Hey there, I would like to order a pizza. What kind of pizzas do you have?
We have barbecue chicken, garlic chicken, and chicken tikka pizza.
Okay, great. Then I would like a barbecue chicken pizza, please. And what kind of toppings do you have?
We have olives, mushrooms, caramelized onions, and eggplants.
Okay, then with my pizza I would like to add some caramelized onions, please.
Great choice. Anything else you'd like to add to your order?
No, I'm fine. Thanks.
Alright, your barbecue chicken pizza with caramelized onions is all set. Would that be for pickup or delivery?
For delivery, please.
Got it. Can I get your delivery address, please?
Yeah, sure. It's 123 Street Avenue, Florida.
Great. We have your address as 123 Street Avenue, Florida. Your total will be $15.50, and the estimated delivery time is 30 minutes. Can I have your phone number, please?
So I didn't finish the call here because it was going a bit sideways. I also did minimal prompting, so normally it shouldn't be asking the price. But you see here that you have access to the live transcript while the call is going. So you can see the power of RetellAI. I'll let you imagine what kind of things you can do with this API. In the next videos, I will definitely be playing with this API to show you some interesting scenarios. So in my opinion, both APIs do more or less the same thing, but using 2 different ways. Blend AI is more targeted towards people who don't necessarily know how to code, but are ready to use tools like make.com to automate everything. On the other hand, RetellAI is more targeted towards people who are comfortable with programming, to allow them to have control on what's going on. As someone who has extensive experience in programming, if I had to choose between Blend AI and RetellAI, I will definitely go with RetellAI because I like to have control on the software that I create and the freedom it provides you. So just to summarize, if you're a non-coder, it's better to stick with Blend AI. But if you code, you might be better off with RetellAI. Alright, that was it guys for this video. I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an in-depth comparison of all the AI voice APIs by comparing their latency and their way to handle interruptions. By the way, if you're a company and would like to develop an AI or automation system for your business to drive growth, we can definitely do that for you. You can book a meeting through the calendar link in the description. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I will be answering them. Cheers guys!